Welcome to Lakeland Hyundai. I'm Kevin Clark, sales manager. I wanted to let you know during the month of March we have a pot of gold savings for you. You get more for less, more selection, lower payments during the month of March. So here's where you get more for less. 2017 Accent SE starting at $10,986 or drive it for $98 a month, along with the 2018 Hyundai Elantras starting at $12,242 or $89 a month. Also, during the Get More for Less sale, 2018 Hyundai Sonata SE starting at $15,988 or $99 a month, along with our SUVs, the 2018 Hyundai Tucson SE starting at $18,943 or $129 a month. Also included for your pot of gold savings is the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport starting at $18,914 or $149 a month. Also, the all-new Kona is here starting at $20,575. You gotta see this one. And when you buy a car from Lakeland Hyundai, you get a lifetime warranty, unlimited time, unlimited miles for you. And we throw in the first year of factory scheduled maintenance with every purchase. So please stop by and see me here at Lakeland Hyundai on Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida. Thank you for your business.